At the recent NAR conference in Boston, Chief Economist Lawrence Yun, he delivered a comprehensive analysis of the upcoming housing market landscape. So if you want to understand where we're headed in 2025, first, let's take a look at our current trajectory. Let's rewind to recent years. In 2021, we witnessed a record-breaking 6 million home sales. By 2023, that number has dramatically dropped to 4 million. For 2024, we are projected to end the year around 3.8 million sales. This downward trend sets the stage for our 2025 predictions. So stick around for more. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Petena Thomas, your realtor serving the Washington, D.C. metro area. All right, let's get right into the video because I would love to talk about what Lawrence Yun predictions are for 2025. And I'm also gonna touch base on what we're seeing in our local markets here in Washington, D.C. metro area, specifically Montgomery County, which is my jam. All right, so Lawrence Yun projections for home sales in 2025, it paints a picture of cautious optimism. He anticipates existing home sales will grow by approximately 9%, bringing us to about 4.2 million sales, while new home sales are expected to increase by 11%. This trajectory is not expected to be a sudden surge, but rather a gradual recovery that extends into 2026. From an expert perspective, these projections are promising yet tempered. The potential for market recovery, it remains closely linked to broader economic factors, particularly affordability and just an overall economic health. A particularly intriguing insight from Yun suggests that post-election stability could be a significant catalyst for home sales. As he noted, post-election stability often boosts home sales, regardless of the winner, highlighting how political predictability can positively influence market sentiment and buyer confidence. I actually beg to differ because boots on the ground, I'm working with a lot of clients who are on the sidelines waiting to see what will happen with our new administration. By the way, check out my new video on how President-elect Trump housing policies could affect the housing market. Lawrence Yun also touched on the housing inventory, and he said it's going to be a turning point, all right? So the persistent inventory shortage that has characterized recent years, it may finally be showing meaningful signs of improvement. Increasing supply levels are expected to create a more balanced market ecosystem. This expansion will help align housing availability more closely with population growth, providing potential buyers with greater options and just reducing the intense competition that has defined recent real estate transactions. So remember, the markets are hyperlocal because in Washington, D.C., the inventory has experienced a balanced market with 5 months of supply, and that's in D.C. proper, because in Montgomery County, Maryland, it is currently considered to be a seller's market with 1.6 months of supply. So take what Lawrence Yun is saying with a grain of salt and understand that he is speaking nationally. So Lawrence Yun also touched on wealth creation through home ownership. And this is something that as real estate agents, we've always sing praises of. Yun's analysis reveals a stark economic narrative about the power of home ownership. The wealth disparity between homeowners and renters is profound. Homeowners have a median net worth of $415,000 compared to just $10,000 for renters. So this dramatic difference underscores homeownership as a critical wealth building strategy. His advice is direct and powerful. He said, if you want to participate in the housing market, the sooner you get in, the sooner you accumulate wealth. This statement encapsulates the long-term financial benefits of real estate investment, encouraging potential buyers to view homeownership as a strategic financial decision. Lawrence Yun also talked about home prices. Price projections for 2025 and 2026 indicates a measured and sustainable approach. Yun forecasts annual price increase of approximately 2%, a rate designed to align more closely with wage growth. From a market perspective, national home prices are likely to rise between 3 to 4%, and that's closely tracking inflation. The market's dynamics are hyperlocal, so take Montgomery County again, for instance. While the median sales price has increased by 9.5%, and that's to $615,000, the picture varies dramatically across different cities. In Gaithersburg, Maryland, prices are up 5.3% year over year. In Rockville, they're up by 3.2%. Silver Spring, a 2% decrease. Bethesda, a 4.3% decrease. So despite increased inventory, strong demand from millennials and continued limited supply, it will help maintain price stability and prevent significant market volatility. Areas like Potomac, Maryland, for example, they are leading due to high demand and limited new construction, while markets like Bethesda, Maryland offers a balance of new builds and resale options. And let's talk a little bit about what drives housing demand. Mortgage rates, right? So mortgage rates are expected to stabilize within a range of 5.5% to 6.5%, creating a more predictable environment for potential homebuyers. Lawrence Yun, he suggests that rates around 6%, it might represent the new normal for the mortgage market. Market analysis further supports this, suggesting a potential rate dip to 5.95% by late 2025, contingent upon evolving economic pressures. So Lawrence Yun's comprehensive market analysis, it provides a strategic framework for understanding the 2025 housing landscape. So whether you're a first-time buyer, considering property upgrades, or you're just exploring real estate investment opportunities, these insights offer a valuable guidance for making informed decisions. And if you're curious about how these market predictions specifically impact your real estate goals, I invite you to share your questions in the comments below or just reach out directly for personalized guidance for your real estate needs. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest, I'm here to guide you through the complex 2025 housing market, and I'll be happy to help. Catch you on the next one. Bye.